Right here I have the Music Boxing Pro. Let me open it up and let me show you everything that it comes with. Right here is the speakers where the actual music starts to come out of the music box. You can see all these platforms around here. These are like the different hitting areas. These are just gonna light up so you'll know which one to aim for when you're hitting. Right here, as you can see, this for your Type-C charging port. You don't have to have it plugged in all the time. Right here is the power button. See, bring it a little closer. It's the power button. Something really nice about this music box is there's a lot of ways to install it. It comes with these different adhesives to put on the back. Just peel off. Just peel off the adhesive. One side goes on the back of the music box. And one side goes on whatever you want to stick it on. Very convenient. They actually made it even more convenient. Come with Velcro strips to actually put across the music box as well. So very, very convenient. So you can actually use these instead of the adhesive. You can actually use the Velcro strips and attach and detach the actual music box itself. This does come with two different boxing mitts. We have like the standard, I guess you want to say the boxing gloves. Nice. And then you also have the more of the kickboxing style with the fingers going through. Oh, nice quality. What's nice about the music box is when you turn it on, you can connect it easy to your Bluetooth as well. There are different speeds to enhance your different accuracy and speed level, which is fun. We just turn it on just to see. It's pretty cool.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected.
Already connected. Nice. Now instantly I can just play a song from my phone and go right to it. Okay, so let me go ahead and set this up so you can see how it looks like to use. And for an additional 10% off, make sure you look at the link in the description box down below for your very own pair